I'll do a voice and then a ventriloquist thing.
Okay, no problem.
Are you ready? Ready?
Yeah.
If you watch Law and Order, that's me too. I'm the Law and Order guy that says,
In the criminal injustice system, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups. These are their stories.
and if you want to know how I can make two sounds at the same time, there's a radio stuck in my nose. Yes, that's me too.
Amazing, huh? High five, my friend.
Man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I appreciate you too.
Verbal
Have a
Ace on
nice day.
YouTube, YouTube.com. So
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks,
See
man.
you on YouTube, you know?
Yeah, hopefully TV too. That's
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
American have a talent. American have a talent. That's the guy.